Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey yo, Skilla. Alright everybody, you don't know who this already. This is the Skilla. And right about now, I have some video clips, like maybe 2 clips. Alright everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skilla, and I have clips of the Calabar student body making an apology to the KC student body. Yes, so may I say to you, if you remember when time it start, like about a few days after Champs, when the Calabar school made some homophobic slurs, you know, chanting. You see me, I'm not gonna repeat it. You see me, I say. So here is the video of the head boy and the acting vice principal making an apology. Before me show you though, if you like the way I present my videos to you, please click the subscribe button to stay up to date with the Dancehall Skilla. So there I say, leave in the comment, let me know what you think. And as always, you know, so this is the Skilla, and here comes the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Observe.
Between your beloved Kingston College and the Calabar High School. Chief among these are our dominant school spirit and the work both institutions continue to do to provide Jamaica, the region, and by extension the world with men of valor. I believe you should congratulate yourselves, Kingston College. The actions of a pocket of my students on Monday, April 1st, that marred an otherwise good morning of cheering after placing second in Champs to a deserving winner, Kingston College, was outright abhorrent and is in no way encouraged or tolerated by the Calabar school community. Our presence here this morning not only follows on the heels of the soft copy of the apology which was sent to Principal Mary on Monday, but it also serves to cement our commitment to restoration and healing. I assure you that Calabar has already begun and is in an advanced state of identifying the genesis of this disgraceful act. Friends, brothers, I apologize on behalf of our school for the disgrace meted out by some of our students, the disrespect to your school and brand Kingston College, and trust that together we can find ways to move beyond this quickly, not just for our schools, but for our country. Thank you very much.
Mr. Dave Larry, members of the Calabar of the Kingston College family, everyone else here present, good morning.
Good morning.
On behalf of the Calabar High School community, I would like to express congratulations on your victory in the recently concluded ISAF Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. I would also like to take this opportunity to offer sincere apologies for the defamatory video that has been circulated where students of my school, Calabar, were doing a shameful chant about your school. Please know that we do not condone this kind of behavior, nor are we in support of the statements uttered. Please be assured that disciplinary measures are being taken by our school in order to ensure that this kind of behavior is not repeated. It is our intention to continue a harmonious relationship with the Kingston College community. The Calabar family wish for your school here in